In this video, I will show you how to download dev C++, how to set it up and how to use it. So this is an IDE used for writing C++ program. Most of the students use dev C++. So let us learn how to download and set up. So open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, search for download dev C++ with min.gw. It's already there. I have searched for it already. So this is the thing that you have to type. Just note down, make sure you are searching for the same thing, same string. Download dev C++ with min.gw. Min.gw is a compiler. So when you download dev C++, it's an IDE. Along with that, compiler will also get downloaded and installed on your machine. So just hit enter. Then you will find various links. Click on the first link, that is from sourceforge.net. So click on this one. Now here we are on our download page on SourceForge website. Click on this green button. You can read it, download latest version, dev C++ 5.11 TDM GCC 4.9.2 setup.exe. Make sure you have reached the same link, right? You should read it and check you are on the same link. Click on this one. It will start downloading. Yeah. After downloading, install dev C++. Okay. It has finished installation. If I show you the folder where dev C++ is installed, this is in C and program files, and here is dev cpp. So you can see that it is also installed min.gw, that is GNU compiler for Windows. This is a minimal compiler for Windows. Let us start dev C++. So English language is selected, then next, then OK. Yes, dev C++ is ready now. Before we start using it, we have to make some important settings, and these settings we have to do only once. So let me show you what settings we have to do. Go to the menu. In the menu, you will find tools on the top. Then select compiler options. And here few tabs are there, that is general tab. Inside this, mention -G. This will allow the compiler or the debugger to debug the program. So there is a flag for the compiler which will allow the debugger to debug the program. So what is debugging and all, we will see it later in the next videos. You have to mention this -G or -G. Then go to another tab, that is programs. Here you'll find GCC. So for that, gcc.exe is given, and this compiler by default it will be C++ 98 version. But we'll be using the features of C++ 11, that is the later version. So to use C++ 11, we have to mention here. So this is what you are supposed to write: -std, that is -std, you can read it as, then equal to C++ 11. Then do the same thing in the next field also. Write C++ 11, std C++ 11. It can be capital or small C++. That doesn't make difference. By mentioning this, now the IDE will be using C++ 11 compiler. Now we are using in our course, we will be using the features of C++ 11 also. So if this is not mentioned, those features will not work. So this is the very important thing that you have to do in the settings. Now we are ready. Just say OK. Now the settings are done. Now we are ready to do any project or write our C++ programs. So let me show you how to create a new project. Say new project, and select console application. Let the project name as my first, and it should be created in documents. Now the project is ready. This is main.cpp file inside the project. So here I'll just give a message, hello world, and endl. I should use namespace for cout as well as endl. Let us build the project and execute. Yeah, hello world has appeared. So that's all. This is how you can open a new project. For every program or application, you can start a new project, or else for practicing in the same project, you can go on writing new code there and you can recompile and run it.